How do you get salt from seawater after the world's gone to hell? And honestly, why would you even bother? Because the grocery stores, they're just hollow buildings now. Dust, broken shelves, and memories. The spice aisle, that thing people used to argue about. Yeah, that's basically a legend now, and every meal you cook, it tastes like wet cardboard and regret. But here's the thing most people don't realize. Your body needs salt. It keeps your nerves firing, keeps your muscles moving, keeps your heart from acting like it's about to clock out early. Without it, cramps start hitting you out of nowhere. Your strength fades fast, and suddenly walking 10 feet feels like you're fighting a final boss with one health bar left. So no, salt isn't just seasoning anymore, it's survival. But here's the good news. The ocean, that thing stretching to the horizon, yeah, that's basically the biggest salt warehouse on the planet, and nobody owns it anymore. Step 1. Find a metal pot. A pan, anything that won't melt when things get stupid hot. Fill it with seawater, and I mean real seawater, not some sketchy puddle, not swamp soup, actual ocean water. Step 2. Boil it. Use whatever heat the apocalypse left you. A fire pit, a rocket stove, burning an old chair if you have to. As the water heats up, it starts turning into steam, drifting off into the air. But the salt? That stuff doesn't go anywhere. Simple science. Water evaporates, salt stays. Step 3. Once most of the water is gone, kill the heat. Don't let it turn into a rock-hard salt brick. Just let it sit there, drying slowly. Give it time. Step 4. Now take something flat and scrape the crust off the bottom. That white crunchy layer? Yeah, that right there, that's survival gold. Use it to flavor food so meals don't taste like sadness. Use it to preserve meat so it doesn't rot in 2 days. Use it to clean wounds when infection is one bad day away. Or trade it with desperate scavengers who forgot how important salt really is. Because out here, salt isn't just food anymore. It's power, it's medicine, it's currency. So congrats, you didn't just make salt, you just figured out how to turn the ocean into money. I've